Hi, it's me again, Elmin. I want to tell you about liquid glass. When we introduced the high pigment color gels, we thought about 3D color gels. But instead of having to buy a whole lot of colors, have only one product and create your own colors. And liquid glass is that product. It's a nice and tacky 3D transparent product that can be used on its own to create those beautiful designs. It can be applied on top of a high pigment color. It will make the color pop and also bring out the 3D effect. Or you can blend your liquid glass with HP colors, one or more colors, and create your own 3D color palette. I can only imagine what you will come up with. Let's have a look at two of the application methods. During the first application method, our therapist uses an upper arch brush with a blend of green and white high pigment color gel and flash cure. Then she prepares the gels to create a 3D ladybug. She uses a nail art brush to blend blue and red HP gels to create a deep red color for the body. And flash cure. She uses an upper arch brush and a dotting tool to apply black HP lines and dots to the bug body. Flash cure. And white HP gel to draw the head and legs. Then cure for 1 minute. Finally, our technician uses liquid glass on a nail art brush to create a 3D ladybug. Liquid glass may be used directly from the tube. See how the color pops under the liquid glass. Cure for 1 minute. Finish with gloss. Cure and wipe. During our second application method, we used a rose stencil with pink HP gel and a puffer rather than to draw a freehand design. And flash cure. Use the upper arch brush with white pH gel to outline the design and